Today we're going to talk about how to set up your Canvas Gradebook. And at the start of a new semester or a new school year, when we get our Canvas courses populated from Infinite Campus, this is one of the first things that we want to do. So if you start at your home page, you're going to go over here to the left navigation side and you'll go to Assignments. Once you get to the Assignments page here, this is where you'll set up your categories that are already in Infinite Campus. Most of the school district has major assessments, minor assessments, and daily grades. So we need to create those assignment groups. So we can get rid of this assignment category here because we do not need that. Next, we'll start by adding some of our normal grading categories. Major assessments followed by minor assessments. Followed by our daily group. Now, once we have those three grading categories, now we can get rid of this. And the next thing we want to do is we want to sync Infinite Campus grading categories with the Canvas grading categories. So how we do that is we go up to the three dots and we're going to go to Sync SIS Categories. Once we do that, we'll need to go into each group and we'll need to associate the class with the one in Infinite Campus. So for the major assessments, we'll associate that one. We'll associate the minor assessment with the minor assessments in Infinite Campus. And we'll associate the daily with the daily in Infinite Campus. And this will kind of connect them. Now, something that we really want to do is we want to make sure that this import category weights is turned on, because what that'll do is that'll import how they're weighted in Infinite Campus straight to Canvas. So we'll see it sync categories, and then when they're done, you'll see that they're all associated. And the last thing we want to double check is to simply hit the refresh button, and you'll see that they're linked now. So any grades that you put into these, right, they'll be ready to sync once you run the sync in your Canvas course. Hope this video helps. If you have any questions, please reach out to Instructional Technology.